So I'm standing in front of the Western Marsjön parking lot. It's not very big. Bird Tower is over in that direction. According to this board, we're expected to see a bunch of different birds.
So I'm getting all my stuff and walking to the bird tower. It's a little way away from the parking lot. And you need to go over this fence. And here's the bird tower.
There's a couple of cranes over there.
Zooming in on the cranes. Switching to the other camera with a telephoto lens. Hi, here I am. I'm in the frame. I'm the star now.
I have no idea what kind of bird this is, but two of them actually. Many birds like this type of environment, sort of wetlands, swampy, and the approximation to a lake. It's really beautiful here, and there's a bit of bird chirping, and the sun is just going down. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah.
This is approximately how dark it is right now, and now I'm going to switch the mode of the camera. This is amazing how little light this camera needs to be able to see almost in the dark. Here you see with the drone, it's really dark and a little bit noisy because it's sunset. But you get a nice view of the bird tower.
Okay, let's pack it up. Pack it up, pack it up, pack it up. Excellent. A pad with written what type of birds they've seen. Alright. I have a feeling that it can be very wet. Now we really can hear them go. The cranes are really hooting. This is a heavy beast. Well, I had some fun making this video. It's a bit too dark to make YouTube videos now, but I was a bit late starting, but I mean, it was golden hour, and now it's blue hour. Oh well, see ya.